In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode for Google Sheets on desktop. We'll keep this simple and clear. Start by opening Google Sheets in your desktop browser. It's best to do this in Google Chrome, since we're going to change a setting that lives in Chrome itself. Any sheet is fine. Open a document you're working on, or go to the Google Sheets homepage so you can see the change happen. Now, look to the very top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see the three vertical dots, which open the Customize and Control Google Chrome menu. Click those three dots to open the menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its application-wide controls. From that drop-down, select Settings. Chrome will open a new tab with all your browser settings organized in categories, so you can easily find what you need. In the Settings tab, scroll down until you see the Appearance section. Depending on your version, you may also see Appearance in the left sidebar. Either way, open the Appearance area. This is where you control how Chrome looks, including its theme, font size, and other visual details. Under Theme, choose Dark. This switches Chrome's overall look to a darker color scheme. Dark themes reduce glare by lowering brightness in menus, toolbars, and supported web apps, which many people find more comfortable for long work sessions or nighttime use. Once you enable dark mode for your browser, Google Sheets will automatically switch to dark mode. You should notice the interface adjusting right away. Menus, toolbars, and the canvas around your spreadsheet will adopt darker tones, while your content remains clear and readable. Because Sheets follows your browser's theme on desktop, changing the Chrome theme is the key step here. You don't have to hunt for a separate toggle inside Sheets. A few helpful notes as you use it. This is a browser-level change, so you'll see the dark theme across Chrome, not just in Sheets. Most Google Workspace tools, like Docs and Slides, honor this setting, which helps keep your workspace consistent and easier on the eyes. If you ever prefer a lighter look again, you can return to the same theme setting in Chrome and adjust it at any time. That's all there is to it. By opening Google Sheets, using the three-dot menu to go to Settings, heading to Appearance, and selecting Dark under Theme, you've enabled dark mode for Google Sheets on desktop through Chrome. Enjoy the more comfortable viewing experience, especially during late-night editing or long work sessions.